What makes German Shepherds so popular? According to the American Kennel Club, the German Shepherd dog is the second most popular dog in America, ranking second out of 193 dog breeds.
German Shepherds may be one of the most famous and recognizable breeds in history. The German Shepherd originates from, you guessed it, Germany in the late 1800s.
What makes German Shepherds so popular? We've asked some owners, and here are the most frequent answers.
German Shepherd dogs are very loyal. The bond they form with their family can't easily be broken. They make excellent pets and love nothing more than to be with their people, no matter what they are doing.
Loving. You'd be hard-pressed to find a dog as loving and affectionate with their family as a German Shepherd. Despite a tendency to be aloof with strangers, they enjoy being as close as possible to their people, hence the nickname, Velcro dog.
Protective. German Shepherds are natural family guardians and are very courageous. They make excellent watchdogs. They will alert their family to anything unusual going on near their territory and act to defend their owners if needed.
Smart. When it comes to smarts, German Shepherds are ahead of the pack. They are easy to train and love to learn. They can also be a bit stubborn, dominate, and full of personality. Earn their respect and you'll have a trainable friend for life. If you don't, you might find your shepherd trying to run the show.
Active. German Shepherds are an athletic breed and make great companions. If you want a dog to do things with, they make a great choice. They love nothing more than to chase a ball, play on the beach, go running, or participate in organized dog sports.
Working. German Shepherds love to work. Whether it's helping around the house, herding, working in law enforcement, as a service dog, military, tracking, or obedience training, they are happy when they are busy with a job.
Fun. German Shepherds love to have fun. They are silly, rambunctious, playful, and have larger-than-life personalities. They crave attention and will take every opportunity to make life a game.
Beautiful. Wherever they go, German Shepherds attract attention. They are regal, handsome, gorgeous, graceful, and confident. No matter their breeding and lineage, there is something special about each one.
These loving dogs can manage in homes with other pets, if properly trained and introduced, but prefer to be the only dog of the home. These large dogs are steadfastly loyal and protective of their humans, but approach strangers with caution.
The German Shepherd's guarding tendencies make them natural watchdogs who will protect their territory and alert their owners to intruders. Confident, courageous, intelligent, and gentle, it's no wonder German Shepherds are considered the second most popular dog breed in America.